see Hubbl Diagnostics in action? Click Start Demo to check it out. It only takes a couple of minutes to analyze your Salesforce org, even from your mobile device. This interactive demo will walk you through the steps to scan your org, review your personalized action plan and other scan results, and give you a glimpse of how Hubbl Diagnostics issue lifecycle management can help your business innovate faster. First, create your account on Hubbl.com. Once you've logged in, just click on Run a Scan to get started. You'll need a user for the org you want to analyze. Enter a name for your scan. For example, you can use the name of your company and the type of org you are analyzing. Next, you'll let us know who owns the org you're analyzing. We'll need to know the type of org you're analyzing to generate the results. Now you'll add in a description that you can refer to later. Agree to terms and conditions to unlock the ability to schedule your scan. Once you're finished completing the information, click Next to move on to connecting to your Salesforce org. Now you just log into your Salesforce org like you normally do. You'll get the most complete results from Hubbl Diagnostics if you use a system administrator. Check out our FAQs if you are interested in the required permissions. Enter your password and click Log In. Hubbl Diagnostics connects to your org via OAuth 2 in a SOC 2 compliant process without accessing your data. We focus on analyzing your metadata, basically the way your Salesforce is configured to run your business. Now, you can schedule when you'd like to run your scan. You can use the default setting to run it immediately, or you can schedule it to run at a later time. Select the time you'd like to start the scan. The average scan takes less than 30 minutes to run and has no impact on the performance of your Salesforce org.
You can even set up Hubbl Diagnostics to automatically monitor your Salesforce org. This is how you will get the most information on adoption and recommendation trends. Click on Run Once if you want to set up a recurring scan.
Choose how you'd like your recurring scans to be scheduled. Combined with the time of day of the scan, you have full control of when you analyze your org. Click on Next to confirm your scan schedule. Now, on the final step, you can review your org information to make sure you're analyzing the correct org once you're ready. Click on Schedule Scan to put Hubbl Diagnostics to work analyzing your org. With this couple of minutes of effort, you'll save over 80 hours of org analysis, document your org with interactive visualizations, and get a personalized action plan to optimize your org. Now that your scan is scheduled, you can view any other scans you've completed, review the sample advanced scan provided, or schedule a scan for another org. From the home page, you can click on any scan name to view the results of your scan and any trends collecting on orgs you've scanned multiple times. The Hubbl Diagnostics results for your Salesforce org are organized in a series of tabs, starting with Summary. You can also export your results into a zipped CSV file. This is useful for digging deeper into the results or doing your own analysis.
In your summary, you'll find your personalized action plan, a groundbreaking feature that delivers instant clarity on exactly what to fix next in your Salesforce org to unlock speed, adoption, and ROI. All the items in your action plan roll up into a Hubbl score. You can even see the impact that fixing a recommendation will make on your Hubbl score. Dig into more details and get recommendations to resolve your issues by clicking on the recommendation in the action plan. Once you've reviewed the top items in your action plan, explored the solutions and specific details, you can explore the rest of your recommendations by clicking back to Recommendations Overview. Hubbl Diagnostics makes it easy to prioritize your work and explore recommendations by well-architected topic, metadata category, severity, and even level of effort to fix. Explore the other tabs to dig even deeper into the metadata and adoption results for your org. Customer favorites include Cloud Adoption, Package Assessor, Whole Org Field Utilization, Object Automation, and Custom Code Security Audit. For example, every Salesforce org has packages installed in it. Our Package Assessor provides the most in-depth analysis of your packages and even provides insights into new packages you should consider for your org. Most importantly, for the first time since the App Exchange launched 20 years ago, we provide you with the ability to automatically detect when new versions of your packages are available. This even works for privately listed packages not from the App Exchange. This helps you secure your org, speed it up by modernizing legacy automations, and may even give you access to new features. Each new scan of your org will automatically uncover new issues detected, helping you proactively manage your org using recommendation trends. Using our issue lifecycle management, you can automatically report on issues resolved by your team, making reporting to your stakeholders a breeze.
Now that you have a sense of how Hubbl Diagnostics works, feel free to explore the Hubbl resources and Learning Hub on Hubbl.com, or visit the Hubbl Technologies YouTube channel to use cases, live demos, training articles, and more. Thanks for taking the time, and welcome to the community-driven movement democratizing success across the Salesforce ecosystem. Click Start Your Trial below to create your account and start your first scan.